the DA remains a civic platform because if dares to be partisan and inward looking, then it would deter others from being part of the conversation within the DA, which is why it's an open door and window platform in which the public structured to mean parties and civic groups should be part of the conversation offered by the DA. That's the purpose. Because that platform is being offered by no one. So we cannot say because everybody's doing nothing, we also become part of the nothing doing. No, yes, we are simply saying that for lack of any initiative from anybody, from anyone, bring the opposition to a conversation, we are offering that big tent. Call the DA the big tent, sir, and that big tent has constituent members, okay? And we're saying those constituent members have a legitimate right and civic duty to eventually evolve into a political platform. That will be their choice when the call is theirs, not mine as the coordinator. But I'm very sure that they are alive to the timetable, the political timetable within which that should be done. And aware of that, it will be foolhardy for them to say it will be forever. There must be a timeline within which any platform elected to anything will mobilize and offer a platform to sponsor candidates. There's a time frame. So it cannot be beyond the program and the rollout program offered by the Electoral Commission. One of the key issues we want to inform the country today is that as the national coordinator, I have written all registered political groups, political platforms. I've written to them to communicate to them with clarity how we want to work with them and invite them for an interaction. We are asking them to offer us an independent interaction inter alia as political parties, as pressure groups, so that we can explain to each other our preferred approach. So, by the end of the week, every known platform would have received a letter of our intention to engage. And when they invite us for that engagement, we shall inform you as to the outcomes of that engagement. So we have done that communication and I have signed it off as the national coordinator. Thirdly, at the turn of the year, we intend to go on the road to the entire country. We shall reach the every length and breadth of this country to speak to the people on two issues that are germane to our public engagement. One, the issue of political and electoral reforms that we believe is a matter that has been wrongly or poorly handled by both the group in power and the political opposition. We want to engage the public. We want the public to be part of this conversation because we have hardly a year before we can begin thinking about the next polls. And we don't want to go to the polls in the same shape we have been into over the last 2, 3 electoral cycles. So we want the general public that so much desires to see something better and different to be involved. So we shall communicate to you our voted program in terms of time, date, and space or place at the turn of the year as part of the DA outreach activities. This we shall do, and we shall inform you in the coming days.